How to Make a Stop Motion Film by A.M. Meekum. Stop motion is an animated filmmaking technique in which objects are physically manipulated in small increments between individually photographed frames so as to appear to be independently moving. For example, ever see Coraline? The Nightmare Before Christmas, Mary and Max, Chicken Run, Alice, A Town Called Panic, and my favorite, Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Your first step is to go to YouTube and search for other videos, other tutorials on how to make stop motion. Research it as much as possible. Then find an app. I use Stop Motion Studio. Finally, make a script and gather all your props. So, here is how mine turned out. I really hope you like it. Have fun. I'll catch the gum thief this time. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. It may not have been to the level of the fantastic Mr. Fox, or even Gumby, but I sure hope I made one of my other favorites, Frosty the Snowman, proud. Now it's your turn. Have fun.